Hello, the topic today is adding a service order from the contacts, from the messaging CRM. So we're under contacts, and I've already done a lookup on Fred Flintstone, and I'm just going to select him and go to his contact record. And so whenever I want to add service orders, I really want to use the contacts area just like I would add a deal from here. I also can add a service order from here. And the reason why I want to do that is I can use my task management and my messaging management with texting and emailing, and I have all those features available to me, as well as sending receipts and sending estimates can all be done from the contact record. So I have a great history of everything that I've done with this customer. And so in this contact record, I'd have a list of every product I ever sold them. I'd also have all the service that I've ever done with them. So in that way, I can manage the contact for all of the features that contact and all the products and services that I sell to him will be tied to this contact record. So it becomes an easy way to manage this customer over many, many years and have an excellent history. So if I wanted to add a service order, I literally would just click the Add Service Order button, and now every order I've ever done for him, both from a service perspective as well as a product sale, would be listed in here. And then I'd be able to select that, and that would take me on to the process of actually adding a service order. So whenever you are working with adding services, adding deals, adding loans, any of that, you're always going to start with a contact record and then make sure that we have our little blue button up here for you to start that process with, and then all your history will be tied to that contact. Thank you so much.